Did you know? Even though space is a vacuum, scientists have captured some strange sounds out there. NASA used special instruments to record electromagnetic vibrations from planets and stars. These vibrations were turned into sound waves, and the result is spooky. From deep hums of black holes to eerie whistles from Jupiter's magnetic field, space is full of mysterious noises. Some sounds resemble thunder, others like ghostly screams echoing through the cosmos. But remember, no one can actually hear in space. These are cosmic signals, not real sound waves. Still, they remind us how mysterious and alive our universe truly is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factify for more amazing facts.